Hi, boys and girls. It's a new week. It's actually the end of our new week, and we are getting ready for Christmas break. So, this week we've been talking about letter K. So, today for our directed drawing, we're going to be drawing an animal that begins with letter K. So, I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet. We're going to do some guessing, but first, make sure you have your white piece of paper. Your black marker, remember it can be a Sharpie or just a regular black marker, a pencil, and your crayon box. Okay, so first things first, we need to get our pencil out. We're going to draw our animal first. I'm not going to tell you what it is, remember. You're going to guess as we draw. So we're going to do a circle about in the middle of the page. Let's leave some room down here at the bottom because that's where we're going to write our sentence. So, and we need to leave some room up here at the top because we're going to draw a hat on our animal today. So we're going to do a pretty large circle. Sometimes my paper gets away from me. So we've got our large circle, and then we're going to draw the ears for our animal. And we're going to draw triangles for ears, and this may give our animal away. So we're going to do here. Same thing on the other side. And I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet. I'm still going to let you try to figure it out. Next, we're going to draw two ovals for the eyes. So we're going to do, and they're going to be pretty large. Okay. We're going to give her some eyelashes. I guess we can do a girl today. Or if you want to do no eyelashes, that's fine too. Next, we're going to draw a triangle for the nose. And we're going to draw a line out this way. And the same thing on the other side, line out this way. That kind of looks like a smiley face. And if you guessed cat or kitten, it's actually a kitten for K because cat starts with letter C, but remember they make that same sounds. So this, for our directed drawing this week, we're going to be drawing the kitten, okay? So next we're going to draw the tongue of the kitten and his little mouth, his lip. Just like that. And now we're going to do some whiskers. So we're going to do 3 whiskers out like this. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And next, this is the fun part. Since it is Christmas next week, we're going to draw a Santa hat. So when we draw a Santa hat, we're going to do this shape along his ears, and it kind of looks like a cloud, but it's the white fluffy part of a Santa hat. So we're just going to do that all around his ears right here. Next, you're going to draw the red part of the Santa hat. So you're going to take a line, go this way, okay, go a little bit farther, and then you're going to connect it, just like that, okay? And then you're going to draw a oval right here, the top of his hat. And one thing I did forget, I forgot to draw the inside of his, her eyes, so we're going to do circle, Okay, and we're going to draw the dark part of his eyes. And I keep saying his, but I've been calling her. So here we go. All right, so now since we are done with our drawing with our pencil, we can use our black marker to trace. This week we still have lots of shapes in our drawing. We have some ovals, we have some circles, we have some triangles, and we have some straight lines. Hope you all are getting ready for Christmas this year. It is my husband's absolute favorite part of the year. He always looks forward to it. And remember, if you do not want to do eyelashes, that is a-okay with me. So our cat has 1, 2, 3 triangles on it today. Don't forget, if you need to use your left hand or your hand that you do not write with to hold your paper, that is fine. It gives you extra support so your paper doesn't go running away from you. Count how many ovals we have next. We have 1, 2, 3 ovals. So we've got 3 ovals and 3 triangles. And the hat kind of looks like a triangle too. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. All right, now we have finished drawing and tracing our cat. You need to get out your crayons. And what color is this Santa hat normally when you see it? Well, if you guessed red, you are correct. So first we're going to draw, or sorry, not draw, we already drew everything. We're going to color our Santa hat. And we don't have to color in this part or this part because those are normally white. Okay, and we're also going to color in her tongue red. Okay, then we're going to get out our gray crown. Now, cats are lots of different colors, but today we're going to color in our kitten gray. Be sure you're not coloring in the eyes of the kitten, because we're going to color in those a different color. if you have a cat or a kitten at home, what color is it? Do you have a gray kitten or cat? And if I haven't told you this yet, my husband is very allergic to cats and kittens. So we can't really have any cats or kittens at home, but my daughter loves cats. If my husband was not allergic to them, we would probably have one. But instead, we have 2 dogs. She does get to see a cat though. All right, and next we're going to get our black crayon and we're going to color the nose black, this triangle. And then we're going to get out our blue and we're going to color the inside of the eyes blue. All right, so last but not least, we need to write a sentence about our kitten. So, let's see. We need to have the word kitten in it, and she's wearing a Santa hat, so we know she's ready for Christmas. Do we think our kitten is cute? I mean, I think our kittens are cute. So we could say this. The Christmas has an uppercase letter at the beginning of it. That's very important. It is the name of a holiday, so we have to make that first letter an uppercase or a capital letter. A Christmas kitten is, don't forget the letter spaces, boys and girls, cute. And this is a telling sentence, so we write a period, and we always start our sentence with an uppercase letter. So last but not least, you need to take your permanent marker and trace your sentence. Just so this pops out a little bit. The Christmas kitten, remember this is a kitten for our letter K this week, is cute. All right, boys and girls, that is it for our directed drawing. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the year and a Merry Christmas. Bye, guys.